Grand Rising. Today on Mr. Cotton's online educational videos, I'm going to show you how to access Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint through ClassLink. Okay? So, first thing you want to do is you want to open up your internet browser, and then you want to go to ClassLink. So I am on the launchpad ClassLink page. Okay? So I'm going to log in with my credentials. And then I get here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Office 365 Portal right here. See where it says Office 365 Portal? I'm going to click that. And then I have a bunch of options on the side that I can choose from, okay? So if you would like to edit or start making PowerPoints, you click this button right here that says PowerPoint. Simply click it. And from here, you can create a PowerPoint literally in Microsoft Office, okay? This is provided for you. You can make a PowerPoint right here in Microsoft Office. That's pretty cool, actually. See that? Can I play that? 1 second. Oh, that's pretty cool. Y'all, that's dope. All right, so that's how you make a PowerPoint. Well, at least access PowerPoint. If you would like to access Microsoft Word, then simply on the side, you can click this button right here that says Word, New Document, and then you'll get a Microsoft Word template right here on your computer, okay? So that's how you access Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. If you would like to access your email through Microsoft Students, you will click right here that says Outlook, okay? You click this button that says Outlook. Then we'll open up your mail for you, okay? But we'll do another video on that the next time. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.